Hi viewers, hi everyone. Welcome back to one more session of learning of fast mathematics, that is Vedic mathematics. In this video, we will learn how to multiply any number with a number consisting of all nines, like 9, 99, 999, 9999 and so on. So in this one we have three cases. We will explore all the three cases. So let us start. So case 1. In case 1 we have equal number of digits in the number and equal number of nines in the number consisting of nines. So let us see. For example, 518 into 999. Here you can see that in the number 518 we have 3 digits. Here nines are also 3 digits. So when this is the case, we use the sutra Ekanyunyena Purvena and Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashita, and we get the answer very quickly within 3 seconds. So let us see here. So here 518. So 1 less than 518 is 570. And for these numbers we apply the Nikhilam Sutra. That is all numbers from 9, last number from 10. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 1 is 8. And 10 minus 8 is 2. So that is our answer. This last number we have to subtract from 10. So all from 9, last from 10. Or else we can write the answer here, and for all these answer digits we can write the complements of 9. That means 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 1 is 8, 9 minus 7 is 2. In that way also we can get the answer very quickly. So let us see one more. So what will be our answer here? 1 less than this number. Just subtract 1 from this number. 8465. So this will become 8464. And the remaining part of the answer you can write all from 9, last from 10. Subtract and write the answer, or write the complements of 9 for these numbers. So complement of 8 for 9 is 1. Here 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. So that is our answer. See, 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 9 minus 6 is 3. 10 minus 5 is 5. So that is our answer. Let us see one more. 58764 into 99999. See, this is case 1. The number of digits in the number and the number of nines here, they are equal. So subtract 1 from this number. Ekanyunyena Purvena. So that is 58764 will become 58763. And for these numbers, write the complements of 9 here. Already I told you in the previous videos, complement of 9 and complement of 10. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 7 is 2. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 3 is 6. So that is our answer. Now let us see one more. So this is a 6-digit number, 785463. 6 digits are there, nines are also 6. So same sutra, Ekanyunyena Purvena and Nikhilam Navata Charamam Dashta. That means reduce this number by 1. So this 63 will become 62 in the answer part. So it will become 785462. So this is reduced by 1. and for these numbers we write complement of 9, or else you can subtract all these numbers from 9 and write the digits here, answers here. So 9 minus 7 is 2, 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 5 is 4, 9 minus 4 is 5, 9 minus 6 is 3, 9 minus 2 is 7. So that is our answer. So very quickly we can get the answer. Let us see one more. Five lines here, 5 digits, 87487. So this will become 87486. And for these numbers, write the complements of 9. 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 8, 1, 9 minus 6, 3. That is our answer. So this is case 1. In the case 1, what we are doing? Just we are reducing this number by 1 and then writing the answer part here, left hand side answer part. For the right hand side answer part, from the original number, apply the Sutra Nikhilam. All from 9, last from 10. Or for the answer part, you can write complements of 9. For this answer part, left hand side answer part, you can write complements of 9 and you can get all the digits of the remaining answer part. So this is very easy. Let us see one more. Seven eight six one five into 99999. So this 78615 will become one less. So it will become 78614. And for this answer, left hand side answer part, we write complements of 9. That means all these numbers we subtract from 9 and write the answer part here. So 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 4 5. So that is our answer. So this is case 1. Hope you understood this part. Now let us move on to case 2. In case 2, we have less number of digits in the number and more number of digits in the number having 9s. Now let us see how we can do this case. So this is case 2. So let us take one. For example, 48 into 999. For example. Now here you can see in the main number we have 2 digits. In the number having all 9s we have 3 digits. So 1 digit is more here. So here underline the number of digits. Here in the number 2 digits are there. So underline 2 9s here. Now this number reduced by 1. Same formula. Ekanyonyena purvena. So 1 less than 48 is 47. So here 2 9s we have underlined. So 1 line is left over here. So just write this 1 line here. And for this part, write complements of 9. Or for this part, write complements of 9 for the last number complement of 10. So here, 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. Or from this point of view, 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 8 is 2. So this is our answer. Let us take one more. Now here, in the number we have 3 digits, in the 9s we have 5. So, underline 3 9s here. Now, 847 is reduced by 1. So, it will become 846. Now, how many 9s are extra here? 2 9s are extra here. So, these 2 9s will come in the middle here. Just write those 2 9s here. And for these numbers, write the complement of 9. Or subtract all these numbers from 9 and write the digits here. That is the right hand side part answer. 9 minus 8 is 1, 9 minus 4 is 5 and 9 minus 6 is 3. So this is our answer. Very easy. Let us take one more. Now see, 78654, 5 digits are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are here. So underline 5 digits here. Now this number is reduced by 1. So this will become 78653. And 2 lines are extra here. So these 2 lines will come in the middle. And then for these numbers, apply the complement of 9. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 8, 1. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 5, 4. 9 minus 3, 6. That is our answer. Let us take one more. So here 4 digits are there. So underline 4 lines here. Now this number will reduce by 1. So this will become 5847 and 5846 reduced by 1. And 2 lines are extra here. So these 2 lines will come in the middle here. And then for these numbers apply the complement of 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. So that is our answer. Let us take one more. (976) into 5 nines are there. 99,999. So this will reduce by 1. So this will become 975. So here we will underline 3 lines. 2 lines are left over. So these 2 lines we will write in the middle here. And for these numbers, complement of 9. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 7, 2. And 9 minus 5, 4. So that is our answer. So this is case 2. And now we will proceed on to case 3. Study case 3. In case 3, we have more digits in a number and less number of lines here. For example, 587 into 99. 3 digits are here, only 2 digits are here. Less number of lines. So in this case, how many lines are here? 2 lines are here. So underline 2 digits from one's place here. So this 87 is underlined. And add 1 to the remaining digit. Last digit. Plus 1. Ekadikena purvena. 1 more than the previous one. That means after this 87, 7 and 8, 1 digit is 5 here. So 5 plus 1 will become 6. So this 6 we have to subtract from this whole number. Minus 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 8 as it is, 5 as it is. So 581 we will get. So this 581 is the left hand side answer. 581. To get the right hand side answer, apply Nicolan Sutra to these underlined numbers. So all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 8 will get 1 and 10 minus 7 will get 3. So that is our answer. We can do very fast. Let us take one more. Now see, 4879 into 999. 3 lines are here. Here 4 digits are there. So, because 3 lines are here, underline 3 digits from one's place here. So, 1 digit is left over here. This is 4. So, add 1 to this 4. 4 plus 1 it will become 5. So, this total, subtract from this whole number. Minus 5. So, what we will get? 9 minus 5 is 4. This 7 as it is. This 8 as it is. This 4 as it is. So this is our left hand side answer. 4874. To get the right hand side answer, apply Nicolan Sutra to this 879 underlined digits. 9 minus 8 we will get 1. 9 minus 7 we will get 2. 10 minus 9 we will get 1. So this is our answer. Let us take one more. Now see here, 6 digits are here. Here 4 digits are there in the nines. So underline 4 digits from here. And then what is the number left over here? 51. So to this 51 add 1 here. So to this 51 we are adding 1. So it will become 52. So this 52 we will subtract from this number. Minus 52. 8 minus 2 is 6. 9 minus 5 is 4. And this 7 as it is. This 6 as it is. 1 as it is. 5 as it is. So this is left hand side answer. So 5 1 6. 7 4 6. To get the right hand side answer, apply Nikilam Sutra to these underlined digits. 9 minus 6, 3. 9 minus 7, 2. 9 minus 9, 0. And 10 minus 8. Last digit you have to subtract from 10. Nikilam Navada Charamam Dashta. That is all from 9, last from 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. So this is our answer. Let us take one more simple problem. Now see, 8 4 6 7 into 9 9 9. 3 nines are here. So underline these 3 digits. Plus 1 here. It will become 9. This total 9 we have to subtract from this one. Minus 9. So 17 minus 9 is 8. Here get 5 here. 4 as it is. 8 as it is. So 8 4 5 8. And for these numbers, add Nikilam Sutra. 9 minus 4, 5. 9 minus 6, 3. And last number 7. 10 minus 7, 3. That is our answer. Now, I hope you understood the multiplication of any number with series of 9s. We can very quickly get the answer if we just practice for 5 to 10 minutes every day. And we can get the answers very quickly within 3 to 5 seconds. I hope you understood the concepts. In the next video, we will learn some more interesting concepts. Please like the video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.